get my teeth taken out, I was dreaming of my cat.
Oh.
Meow, meow, meow. You know what? I'm sorry, because I'm acting ridiculous. I know I am.
It's okay, honey.
I'm sorry.
Don't apologize.
Are
This
you
is fun.
going? He came here. He smiled at me and I was like, what are you doing? I'm not in my house.
Who did?
He did, doctor.
Oh.
Neasel.
Yeah.
Neasel. You're pretty.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome. I like that shirt on you.
Oh, thank you.
Hi.
I like your shirt too.
What's that? Wow. Wow.
Do you want a blanket? Are you cold?
I don't even know.
Okay, well, you're fine then.
How long are you in here?
In this room or
Uh-huh.
here all, I don't know, probably about 15 minutes, I don't know.
Really? Wow. I
Are you
feel
tired?
happy.
Good.
So happy. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake that booty. Shake that booty. Ow! Shake it, shake it like that. Shake it, shake it like that. Shake that booty. Shake that booty. Oh, oh, oh. Let's see. What can I sing for you? You have some requests?
No, I don't. Just whatever you want.
I like Red Hot Chili Peppers.
Oh, that's true.
You want me to sing some?
Sure.
Which one?
I don't know.
I sing the Sony Press. I swear for my emptiness. Oh, I don't want to sing that one because it's kind of sad.
Okay, well, we don't want to do a sad one.
No. Get away, get away, get away now.
That's too hard on your
Get away.
teeth.
Get away. Oh. Stop kissing that I wish you saw. Stop catching this and know it all. Close your eyes and I'll kiss you good. With the birds I'll share. With the birds I'll share this lonely view. With the birds I'll share this lonely view. Push me up against the wall. Feel like a Kentucky girl with a push-up bra. I don't know all of myself to lick your heart and taste your health good. And the birds I share this so lonely view. Do you have any other song requests, please?
Just rest, honey. You're making me tired.
Yeah, I want to have some fun.
Well, I think you are.
Am I drunk?
No, I don't think so.
Or just be like me drunk? Oh no. Lord help me. I don't know. God forbid I would be drunk. I am so out of it.
You would talk
so
forever.
sorry. I am ridiculous. My tongue is so dry. I need some lip chat. Lip chat. Oh, why are you laughing? Is my face big?
No. You're just, your mouth is full of gauze, that's all.
What is that? What's up there? You see that?
Yeah, I see that.
There's so many people in here.
How many are here?
Lots of people. Wow. Hi. Hi, everybody. everybody. What's up?
Who's there?
Ah, what's up? What's that? Some guy with a purple shirt on. He's got a big fro. What's up? How you doing? Ah. That's on my arm. That was so fast.
That was, wasn't it?
I don't even remember it. I just remember being like, I'm never gonna get knocked out. So I'm just sitting there and I'm kind of shaky. Am I shaky?
Not now.
My legs feel shaky.
No, they're not shaking.
I'm a shaky girl.
Are you cold?
Ah, yeah.
Are you?
Fax for medication?
I'm sorry.
Or do you want me to fax for medication?
How about that Walgreens by the airport in Mount Zion? Yeah.
Okay.
Bye. What's she doing here?
She's gonna get you some medicine.
Good girl. Good crazy girl. Ah. Hi.
Hi. Just relax, honey.
I can't. I'm in the mood to party.
There's hardly room to do that
You
here.
want to go ahead and sit up for me?
Okay.
Just lean back against that if you want to. Take that off your finger. Let you sit up a little bit.
Are you a little woozy?
I like switching.
Is it?
Hello.
Hi, honey.
Do you have any questions over those instructions Dr. Needs to run over with you?